Alright, I'm back. It's 3:16, and right now the snow is really coming down, and it's getting deeper. Remember that little bucket or cup she had out there on the table? Well, it is gone now. Look at the plants, the pots, just about gone. And right now it is really coming down. And it is beautiful, I will say. You can see the place set over there. You can't tell I ever had a goldfish pond over yonder, but it is nice coming down. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go back around to the front. Let's see what it looks like out front. Alright, I'm in the front now. As you can see, the street is more than covered. It'll be a while probably before they get around to plow this. You look around here in the yard, on the porch. Oh, hello there, ladybug. The snowman, well, he's about halfway covered or so. If you look at the vehicles, and you can see the snow all over them. Not a whole lot of sound coming from the interstate, which is off to my right. So it is mighty quiet. Of course, the wind is still blowing a little bit. Not too bad right now, but you can still see a little bit of the snow blowing off the roof. So it is beautiful. Well, I will get back with you later. Have a great evening.